Liam Payne died almost a year ago, and police are still going through hundreds of hours worth of CCTV footage, as well as his personal laptop, to piece things together. Liam Payne's death is still being investigated, almost a year later. The former One Direction singer-songwriter tragically died aged just 31 on October 16, 2024. The musician fell from the third floor of his hotel in Buenos Aires, Argentina, and sustained injuries incompatible with life. But still, almost a year on, police are attempting to piece together Liam's final hours in Latin America, where he was alone after his girlfriend, Kate Cassidy, headed home, having explained she didn't like to be in the same place for a long period of time. Since Liam's death, 2 suspects have been charged with supplying drugs, and both deny the allegations. However, no trial date has been set yet. It's reported that local police are going through over 800 hours of CCTV footage, as well as trawling through Liam's personal laptop and the mobile phones of those connected to his death. It's very frustrating as the likelihood of a trial still seems a long way off, and there is a sense that the police investigation is too slow, a source said. Currently, waiter Brian Noel Pays, 25, and Ezekiel David Perea, 22, a former hotel worker, face up to 15 years in prison if they are convicted of drug offenses. Both have been in jail since January. A source told The Sun, the current evidence has been looked at by 4 judges and sent back for more work and examination. The last prosecuting official looked at the case in September and it's now gone back to the original judge who is re-examining the evidence. Clearly more needs to be combed through, such as the 800 hours of CCTV, the mobile phones and Liam's laptop. While Pays and Perea are awaiting to find out their fate, 3 others linked to Liam's death, including his pal Roger Norris, had their charges of criminal negligence dropped. In Argentina, the prosecutor's office gathers evidence and later presents it to a judge, who decides whether to go ahead with a trial. Pays admits to taking drugs with Liam but vehemently denies supplying them. Court documents show that he is charged with selling cocaine to Payne, 2 days before the star tragically died. Pays says that as the first anniversary approaches, he has started to revisit the memories. "I wish he hadn't died and things were different. I used to feel regret about what happened, but actually I don't regret meeting him as he was my idol and I was a big fan," he told the outlet. He states he didn't sell drugs to Liam as he didn't take any money from him. Liam's death was caused by multiple trauma and internal and external bleeding. At the time of his death, according to the National Criminal and Correctional Prosecutor's Office No. 14, Liam was 3 times the U.S. legal drink driving limit. His blood showed traces of alcohol, cocaine and prescription antidepressants, which would have left him severely impaired.